morning, friends. I am on the little floating dock, laying down and rolling around because I went to ballet yesterday and the back of my hips are really tight. And so I was thinking about what should I talk about in my PSA today? And so I'm going to talk about this. And it's feeling into some part of your body that feels good, that feels soft, that feels gentle. And just bringing that in, feeling into that. Is there some part of you that is soft and gentle and nice and gooey and delicious? And then tuning into some part of yourself. Give me a second. Tuning into some part of yourself that feels rigid and tight and bound and locked up. Just tuning into that, bringing your awareness to that. And then going back to the soft and gushy part again. What feels soft and gushy and yummy and delicious and nurturing and nourishing? Can you feel into that? Can you tune into that area? And then what feels tight and rigid and restricted and bound? Can you bring your awareness to that area? For me, it's really easy right now because my hips and my lower back feel all tight and rigid and restricted and bound because I went to ballet yesterday. So I'm just gonna roll around on this dock and spiral a little bit and let my body adjust to massaging out some of that stuff. So my softness, weirdly, feels kind of soft and gentle in my belly and in the front of my body. And my hardness feels kind of hard and rigid in the back of my hips and my lower back. So I'm kind of letting my awareness and my movement move back and forth between that in the hopes that the soft and squishy part can inform the harder and rigid part. And I'm going to add some sound and some breath and some rolling. Oh my goodness, I love rolling on a hard surface. It feels really good in my body. You can hear the construction on the bridge. Yeah, so here's the invitation. Tune into your soft, gentle, nourishing, loving parts. And then tune into the more hard, rigid, unhappy parts and see if you can bring some of the soft, squishy gentleness to the hard, rigid parts. So tension masks sensation. Can we let go of some of that? Can we come deeper into relationship with ourselves in a loving, gentle, kind manner, right? Can we befriend our own body? Can we be in participatory, dynamic relationship with our own body? Not some objectified, you're bad and this is ugly and I don't like this part of me. What if it's like, oh, I love all of me. I'm just here doing the best I can, and so is my body. So that's it. Sunshine, the wind, the bridge, the noise, it's all here.